We are headed fishing. Me and my good buddy Capt Mike. Can you see him down there? He's way on down there today. Anyways, let me hop down there in this boat without dropping my phone in the water. Anyways, we're headed fishing. We'll try to get on some Spanish mackerel. See what all we can gather up. We got an exciting day, so y'all stay with us. All right, y'all, we are headed out. Mike, what are we doing today?
Well, today we had some fuel cylinder issues. We had some water getting our fuel, so we're gonna make a couple passes and see if we can't get that water cleared out the tank. But we did hear of some Spanish mackerel running on the beach in Pensacola, so we're gonna spend our time wisely and go see if we can't troll for some Spanish mackerel.
Oh, we are at the mouth of Pensacola Bay. That is Fort Pickens right there, right behind them sand dunes. The water is gorgeous. Beautiful though. We're still trolling. We ain't got a whole lot of action so far today. It's a little cool. Don't know if that's playing any part in it, but
You never really get excited. You know, you'll see it jump or something. Don't get excited. If something goes, get excited.
all right, if you've never been around electronics before, we got a number right here on the electronic. All right, then you can revert back over here to the bottom and see actually where the wreck is, or structure, whatever, reef, whatever you're fishing. And when you got our kind of water, things move around some. All right, you see this? That is the structure.
There's fish.
There's fish around it too. Spots like that, all that could be fish, could be algae, could be seaweed, whatever, but most of these bigger spots on the outside edge is fish. We're fixing to load up. We had a blast today. Didn't do a whole lot of fish catching, but we went out for a while, ran with the boat, made sure the water was out of the system, and now we're still about to load up and head toward the house. Appreciate y'all watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We greatly appreciate it. Thank y'all for the ones that have subscribed, because that's how the channel grows. So anyways, appreciate y'all watching.
See y'all next time.